Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to get a complete review of the Aura Carver Matte digital photo frame in 2026. So the Aura Carver Matte is a premium digital photo frame which is designed for simplicity and quality. It focuses more on the user experience and display rather than the complex features. The frame has a clean modern look with a paper-like matte border that makes the photos stand out. It comes with a 10.1-inch HD display which delivers sharp and vibrant images. Overall, it feels like a real photo frame instead of a gadget. However, one limitation is that it only works in the landscape mode, which can affect the portrait photos. Now, if I talk about its features and the usability, so this is where Aura stands out. You will get unlimited cloud storage for photos. You will be able to add the photos from anywhere using the application. The family members can also send the photos remotely, and the auto brightness and the energy saving features are also there. The setup is extremely simple and it takes a few minutes. Now, in daily usage, the frame runs very smoothly with no lag. Photo transitions are also clean and the application works reliably. So in a nutshell, if I just wrap up the pros and cons, so first I'm going to start with the pros. You are going to get excellent display quality here. It's very easy to use. You will get unlimited cloud storage and it is great for the families and gifting. The only cons that I would like to mention here are it can feel expensive as compared to other basic frames out there, and there is no portrait orientation support available. So if this review helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.